In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default workflow in Wrike, a task that should take only about 5 minutes of your time. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, adjusting workflows to fit your specific needs can significantly enhance your productivity and project management efficiency. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wrike platform and log in with your existing credentials. If you haven't already signed up, take a moment to create an account. This initial step is crucial because without logging in, you won't have access to any of your projects or the ability to modify workflows. Once you're logged in, identify the folder, project, or space you're working on, and open it in the board view. The board view is particularly useful because it provides a visual overview of tasks and their statuses, making it easier to assess and manage the flow of work. On the toolbar, look for the columns icon. It might look like a small grid or set of vertical lines, depending on the interface version. Click on this icon to access column settings. Now, take a moment to hover over the name of the current workflow. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing different workflow options you can choose from. This feature is designed to allow quick transitions between workflows so you can adapt to different project requirements with ease. From the drop-down menu, select the workflow that best aligns with your current project needs. Whether your project is agile, sequential, or something else entirely, picking the right workflow ensures that tasks are structured in a way that enhances team collaboration and efficiency. If you find that the existing workflows don't quite fit your requirements, click on the Edit this workflow option. This feature lets you make specific changes to the workflow as displayed on the board view. Tailor the stages and order of operations to better suit your strategic approach, ensuring that all team members have clear guidance on task progression. Alternatively, if none of the existing workflows suit your needs, you have the option to create a new workflow from scratch. Simply select the Create New Workflow option. This allows you the creative freedom to build a custom workflow tailored precisely to your project's unique demands and your team's working style. That's how you change the default workflow in Wrike, a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By customizing workflows, you can significantly enhance how your team handles projects, thereby boosting your overall productivity. Remember, a well-organized workflow often translates to smoother project execution. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.